Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the Republik app. Republik is a social finance app, like it's a combination of social media and cryptocurrency. You can see. So this is Republik app, and you earn XPs for using the application. That is chatting, upload, giving likes, joining challenges, and voting. When you come to this aspect, you can see my Republik balance, which I earn from daily activities. From the day it launched, got 30, 16, 15, 13, 12, 11, 3, and 3. And you can see my XP also. So let's dive into the XP aspects. This XP represents your contribution to building the Republik and will be used to calculate your share of the Republik reward. Members who create fun, engaging, inclusive environments will earn the most XP. You earn 10 XP per referral and the bonus XP based on the activity. 20 XP for checking in on the Republik app once a day. So every day you come back here to open the app, like just check it a day. You earn 5 XP for every followers you gain. You can check my followers, they do follow back, so do well to follow them and you will earn as much followers as possible. You earn 5 XP for giving 5 likes a day. So you could always go to the home page, you will see pictures and videos you could like. You get 10 XP for receiving 10 likes a day. So if you have any fancy picture you upload and you could get up to 10 likes a day, you get 10 XP for that. You also get 10 XP for casting 10 votes a day. To cast votes, you need to check the Explore section where you would see various challenges. You tap on the votes and you give as much votes as you can. 10 votes is all you could do in a day to earn the XP for that day. From my app you can see I've voted already, so I don't have any pending votes to cast till tomorrow. On the home aspect, you could give likes, and the more likes you give, you get to give 10 likes to earn. Like the maximum you could get from liking posts and videos is 5. You earn 5. And what else? Okay, let me show you Republik on CoinMarketCap. So Republik is actually trading at $0.04 and it is listed on several exchanges, which includes KuCoin, HTX, Gate.io, Bybit, MEX, BingX, Bitmart, and CoinX. You could check CoinMarketCap to read more about it, or you could search for Republik on Twitter to get more information directly from their official Twitter page. The total supply is 3 billion and the all-time high is 0.1, while the all-time low is 0.03. Information about how to withdraw and sell our Republik tokens will come in the future. For now, I would advise you just keep mining and claiming every day. While the app is still up and running, you make the best out of it. Since I joined, I've earned up to 117.55 Republik token and I have 3,110 XP. So joining every day, you claim some XP and that's how you level up in the Republik. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I will leave my referral link in the description of this video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and that will be all for now. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.